In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending photos or videos on your phone. So if you're trying to send a photo or a video to a friend or family member and it's stuck, not sending or failing, follow these steps and it should fix the issue. First, if WhatsApp is open, completely close the app. Just swipe it away so it's fully closed. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Here, we're going to refresh your internet connection. Turn airplane mode on. This will disconnect Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds, then turn airplane mode back off so everything reconnects. Once you're connected again, open WhatsApp and try sending the photo or video. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If it's still not working, let's check a few settings. Open Settings, go to General, then tap VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to a VPN, turn it off, because VPNs can sometimes block WhatsApp from sending media. Next, go back to General and tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If your date or time is incorrect, especially set far in the past or future, WhatsApp may not work properly. If that still doesn't fix it, go back to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find WhatsApp. Tap on it and choose Offload App. This clears cache and temporary files and reinstalls the app without deleting your data, while also updating it to the latest version. If you're on Android, the equivalent step is clearing the app's cache and storage, then reopening WhatsApp. Now, if none of these steps work, there's one last thing to check. Open a web browser and search for "Is WhatsApp down?" Scroll to a site like Down Detector and see if there's a spike in reported outages. If WhatsApp is experiencing an outage, the issue isn't on your phone. You'll just need to wait until their servers are back up, and then photos and videos will start sending again. If this video helped you fix the problem, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it.